Hi, I'm Bill England of the Ambler Odysseys YouTube channel. I'm going to build a 48-foot trawler yacht here in the C-clamp boat shed in the backyard of my Summerside, Prince Edward Island, Canada home. I would like for you to join me on my journey of building a 48-foot George Buehler designed Diesel Duck Trawler Yacht. Starting from scratch. I anticipate about 4 years before I can get her in the water. I'm a 30-year veteran of the Canadian Armed Forces, 20 years in the Royal Canadian Navy, and so I have a love of the water, of travel, of seeing new places, new adventures, and those all fit on what I'm about to embark on. It's going to be an interesting journey, and I'm looking forward to it. For a front row seat on this boat build project, please like and subscribe to the Ambler Odysseys on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.